Hey, what is up everyone? This is Curbs here from Tech Shakalaka, back with another video. Before we dive in, I noticed that only 1.3% of you who watch my videos are actually subscribed to the channel. I never thought I'd be saying this, but at this rate, I need to ask, please hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to show your support and appreciate the work that I put into these videos. Also, don't forget to like this video so YouTube can recommend it to more tech enthusiasts like you. Alright, let's get into it. Well, today we are diving into a product that's been buzzing around social media for months now, the Google Pixel lineup. And guess what? I've got some hands-on insights about the Google Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL. Let's break it down. First up, let's address the timing. Google has chosen August for the big announcement this year, way ahead of the usual September or October, and it's going to be on the 13th, which is kind of a big deal if you are superstitious. This is the first time we are seeing such early anticipation from Google. Let's see. Alright, let's talk specs now. The Pixel 9 series is shaping up to be pretty impressive. For those curious about the price, here is a rough breakdown. You can pause the video to see better. Of course, these prices are just estimates, so keep that in mind. Moving on to the fingerprint scanner. Finally, we're seeing an upgrade. The entire Pixel 9 range will feature the Qualcomm 3D Sonic Gen 2 ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, similar to what we have on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Plus, all models will use the Samsung's M14 OLED panel, so expect stunning displays across the board. As for the design, I have to say the Pixel 9 Pro XL looks way better in person than I initially thought. After seeing it next to other flagship phones like the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Vivo X100 Ultra, and the S24 Ultra, I actually prefer its premium look over the Samsungs. And to be honest, coming from a die-hard Samsung fan, that's saying a lot. And we cannot talk about Google Pixel without mentioning cameras. According to Android Authority, the Pixel 9 will feature a 50 megapixel Sony IMX858 sensor for its main camera. This sensor will also be used for the selfie on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, while the other models will have a 12 megapixel front camera. Well, for now, we can just cross our fingers for a 1-inch sensor next year. And finally, the Google Pixel 9 series will debut Google's new Tensor G4 chipset. We are hoping that it's going to be on par with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 from Samsung and other Android brands, and the Apple's A17 Pro chipset. I think that's gonna be all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to bring you more updates soon. But until then, ciao.